Hi guys, hold on. Okay guys, this is we're gonna be playing Arcade Island, Roblox Arcade 2. Like this game before we know to play it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And because we're on our way to the 30 subscribers. Because I will share with you, I got this 70 videos. Why did Chef Idea she have 73 videos? I don't know really. But welcome to Arcade Island. Wait. Let me see it properly. Wait, before we play, let me think of this. Yes, this is will make me good. Hold on a second, y'all. Ouch. Hold on a second, y'all. Hold on. Hold on, y'all, please. Hold on. Alright, I have tickets. I have 1,466 tickets. Land have 1,664. Wow. Ooh. Coinifigity have 1,752 tickets. Oh my god. Oh, club machine. I love club machine. There's something to happen to club machine. I'll try it. Okay. Alright. Comment below, guys. What should I get? I'll get 100, please. Alright, press this. I got it. Come on. Yes. Don't drop. Good boy. Don't drop. Oh my god. 100. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. I didn't get 100. I didn't get 100 next. I need more 100. I have one more 100. Alright, good. Press the white button. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Don't drop. Oh my god, I got another 100. Dude, I got another one. Yeah, I got another one. There's still 100. Still? Let me see. I just see it. Oh, this is not good again. Alright, then we'll play another one.
Strike!
So, I'm coffee. I don't know why I'm coffee. So, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, whoa! Wait, what? This. Okay then. Alright, this is my channel, Arcade Island. What? Let me see how much it got. Ticket. Go. Come on. 1,000. Come on. 1,000. Come on. 60. This is the game. Come on, 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. She got 80. I am 50. Who's got the school though? I'm out. I'm out. You need to make oh, she loves long machine. Look at this, she loves long machine. I wanna play. Not that one. Not that one. Please enter. Wow.
Just keep breathing now, don't run away. We can still feel it.
What is this? Alright, I'm out of here. Thank you so much, y'all, because this is so hard. Among Us game or Hotel. Next time, I'll download it. Okay, y'all? Thank you, y'all. But my sister online. Thank you, y'all, so much. I'll see you next time. See ya later. Bye.